Happy Thursday, y'all. It's week 3 of Pantry Challenge. This is It Worth It, y'all? And my name's Kris, and welcome to the channel. So, this is our weekly update, and I think I filmed all of the meals this time. Fingers crossed, I think. So, this week was pretty good. We were able to pretty much follow the menu that we had planned. We didn't have to go to the grocery store. We're really not missing anything. Except like those conveniences. I'm almost out of tortilla chips, so I'm kind of freaking out about that. But really, we really haven't struggled yet. So, but I mean, it is only week 3, so I do miss my little, drive-through iced tea every now and then, but that's okay. We got iced tea at the house. So I'm going to take my She's in Her Apron planner and let y'all know what we did. So starting off Thursday last week for dinner, we had some frozen tamales. I picked up some of those Texas Mexican tamales in the freezer section at like one of the organic grocery stores. They were good, y'all. They were really, really good. I would do that again. I made some dirty rice to go along with it. So it was a very, very simple meal. We didn't eat much except the rice and the tamales, but it was filling and it lasted for a couple days for leftovers. So those were great. Let's see. Oh, Fancy Friday was really fancy this week. Super duper fancy. We had homemade tomato soup and grilled cheese on my homemade whole wheat bread. So it was very, very fancy as far as I'm concerned. I even cut the bread on the diagonal, y'all. Okay? That's how fancy it was. All right. Saturday. Oh, we switched it up. Saturday is usually our leftover day, but that was the day that we all got frozen in negative a million degrees. So we made shrimp Alfredo. And I had like this weird chickpea pasta that I've tried it once before and I didn't like it. So we just added it to the thing and the texture was still weird, but the flavor was good. So Sunday was leftovers because we ate shrimp Alfredo on Friday or Saturday, and we had a ton of leftovers. So what did I think I ate shrimp Alfredo leftovers today, or was that yesterday? I can't remember. One of those days. So Monday, we did something special on Monday. Monday is chili day right now because y'all know I have like 18 things of chili in the freezer, and I got like 24 chili cans on the shelf. So we got to eat some chili. So we had chili on Monday, but we hand cut some fresh potatoes and made homemade French fries. And so we had, drumroll please, chili cheese fries. It was so good. It reminded me of junior high on a Friday and you saved all your milk money through the whole week and you got your chili cheese fries or your cheese and tater tot or chicken nuggets, and it was so good. Tuesday night is our leftovers because trash day is Wednesday, so we got to knock out those leftovers before trash day. Wednesday, what was that, yesterday? This was off menu. We had chicken and dumplings, and I filmed a video which isn't out yet, but you'll get to see it. 2 videos actually. One making the chicken soup base, and then one doing the chicken and dumplings. We processed a ton of chicken soup base to make room out of the freezers because we're trying to clean out the freezers because we want to get another half cow and a whole hog, and we need the freezer space. So yeah, wait till y'all see that. That was so good. The soup base is so good. Y'all gotta watch the video whenever it comes out. So we had chicken and dumplings, and that rounds out the meals. They were good. It was good this week. We thawed out some turkey, half of a turkey left from Thanksgiving. We thawed that out. We're starting to use that for lunch meat for sandwiches to take to work. So that's the only other thing we took out of the pantry. Let me show you the pantry list real quick. It's starting to get up there. The list looks long, but here's the list so far. This is all the stuff we've used out of the pantry. The list looks long, but the pantry's still full. So, I mean, we got a lot of eating to do. So, but other than that, this has been a really, really good week. We finished inventorying this room. We had 4 totes left. We had 2 baking totes left and 2 Asian totes left, like Asian totes for like oyster sauce and fish sauce and ramen noodles and udon and miso and gochujang and all those spices. So that's called my Asian bucket. So I had 2 of those, and then I had 2 baking buckets that I wanted to go through and make sure that we had like the powdered sugar and the flour and all the gluten-free stuff cataloged. So we did it. That was the majority of the week, is getting the rest of this inventoried. And I have to say, it feels very good and very rewarding knowing what's in these totes, knowing what's on these shelves. And the overwhelming part is knowing what's on these shelves, and we've got to get through it so we can rotate our stock. So still learning a lot, still loving the challenge, and I hope you guys are enjoying it too. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video, leave a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see on this channel. I've got some really good ideas from some of the comments down below and we're going to incorporate those into the mix. So that's pretty much it for this week, y'all. Stay warm. We survived the cold weather blast here in the Midwest. So we got another teeny tiny one coming tomorrow. So stay warm again, and we will see you guys on the next video. Bye, y'all.